today we are range shopping for my mom because it's almost her birthday. 2 more weeks.
Perfect.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength.
Happy birthday po, Tita Cleng.
Happy birthday po, Tita Cleng. Happy birthday po, Tita Cleng.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. We love
We love you. We love you po.
Ano ba, Casper? Ano meron?
Ano ka ba? Mayroon kay birthday ngayon. Happy 50th birthday, Ate Cleng. More success and happiness. Thank you sa pag-share ng mga blessings mo sa amin. Good health always. Stay blessed, kind, and beautiful at 50. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Ate Cleng, happy 50th birthday. Sabi nila, life begins at 40, pero ikaw nasa season 2 ka na, kaya more vitamins, exercise, para stay healthy. Kung sa cellphone nga lang vintage ka na, pwede ka na kay Boss Toyo. Joke. Stay generous, open-handed to everyone. We love you. Happy birthday, Ate Cleng.
Happy birthday, Tita Leng. Stay healthy. We love you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Leng!
Birthday manager. Alam nating lahat na marami ka ng blessings sa buhay dahil alam namin na napakabuti mong tao, napakabuti mo para sa aming lahat, especially sa akin. From the start, nandiyan ka, nung mga panahon na nag-aaral ako, sinusuport mo yung mga uniform ko. Minsan nga may pa-shoes pa, ganyan. Kahit na nung nakatapos ako, ikaw pa yung nagpasadress sa akin nung graduation ko. Thank you, Jer. Hanggang ngayon, nandiyan ka pa din. Thank you kasi hindi mo rin nakakalimutan yung pamilya ko, yung binuo kong pamilya, ganyan. Ayan, birthday nga, di ba? Pero nag-emote. Pero syempre, thank you talaga sa lahat. Dahil hindi nyo ako tinuring iba, hindi nyo ako tinuring ibang tao, ganyan. Thank you kasi hindi ka naging madamot sa akin, sa pamilya ko rin. Dahil kapag may mga pasamting ka naman, ganyan, kung anong binibigay mo rin sa kanila, sa mga kapatid mo, binibigyan mo din ako. Syempre sa mga anak ko na rin. Thank you, Jerha. Thank you so much. Pero syempre yung wish ko sa'yo, good health lang palagi. Yun lang naman kasi meron ka na ng lahat ng mga gusto mong marating mo sa buhay. Thank you, Jer. Happy birthday. At see you all soon. See you. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Hi everyone! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Have a fabulous 50th birthday, my beautiful and generous Sister Cleng. Wishing you good health, a long and happy life, and may all your prayers be fulfilled. Thank you for always being there, especially for Papa and Mama. A one call away sister, and we really appreciate your support, your effort, and your love for the family. Thank you, sister, for everything. Happy birthday, and cheers to you on your golden year. We love you so much, and see you real soon. Love you, sister!
Hi everyone, good evening. For those who didn't know me yet, I am the mother of the celebrant. 50 long years had passed. Wow! How's the golden girl? Alala ko pa nung ipinanganak kita. Tuwang-tuwa yung mga nurses na nagbabantay sa'yo. Kasi kulot na kulot yung buhok mo, Cleng. Nalungkot pa nga sila nung lalabas na tayo kasi uuwi na raw yung favorite nilang baby. Cleng or Alice for many. I wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us. Hindi lang sa amin ni Papa mo, kundi sa buong family natin. Alam mo na yan, napakabait mo. Wala akong masabi. Isama ko na rin si Berhel. Thank you so much sa inyong dalawa ni Berhel kasi kung hindi naman mabait din si Berhel, siguro hindi mo rin magagawa yun sa amin. Kaya, thank you so much. Masyado mo kaming pinamper, narating namin yung hindi namin inaasahang marating dahil yan sa inyo. Kaya, yun ang pasalamat namin. Lahat ng pangangailangan namin, binibigay mo sa amin. Thank you so much, Glenn and Verhel. Happy birthday. Wish you good health always, Glenn. Wag lahat work, ha? Alagaan din ang sarili. Kasi napaka-importante ng health natin. Happy birthday again.
Hi. Good evening, everyone. Leng, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa iyo, sana lagi kang magandang pangatawan, good health. Tapos, sana wag kang magsasawa na tumulong sa amin. Napaka-generous ninyo ni Berhel. Kaya, wala akong masasabi. Kundi, happy birthday na lang. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Happy golden age, Leng. Thank you.
I'm everything I am because you